The engines always think they are so clever.